Welcome to Vishal Education YouTube channel. Today we will see layout of the AutoCAD program window. The AutoCAD program window is divided into several parts. 1. Application menu. 2. Quick access toolbar. 3. Info center. 4. Title bar. 5. Ribbon bar. 6. Ribbon panel. 7. Drawing file tabs. 8. Viewport controls. 9. View cube. 10. Drawing area. 11. UCS icon, user coordinate system icon. 12. Navigation bar. 13. Command window. 14. Model and layout tabs. 15. Status bar. 1. In the upper left corner of the AutoCAD program window, the red AutoCAD icon displays the application menu. The application menu offers tools to help you manage your AutoCAD files. 2. The quick access toolbar at the top of the drawing area includes the basic file handling functions. 3. The Info Center is the AutoCAD online help facility. 4. Title bar is name of drawing file. 5. The ribbon bar uses icons to provide nearly all of the commands that you will need to drawing. And properly organize tool icons. 6. Ribbon panel will be selecting tools to draw, edit, or perform other functions to drawing. 7. Drawing tabs that let you create new drawings or switch. The plus icon just to the right of the tab, which lets you create a new drawing or open an existing one. Example drawing 1. 8. In the upper right corner, you see the view cube. The view cube is primarily for 3D modeling. You can click on any of the visible corners to go to an isometric view or click the double curved arrows to rotate the view 90 degrees. 9. The viewport controls in the upper left corner of the drawing area offer menu options to control 3D and 2D views and visual styles, and they duplicate some of the functions of the view cube. 10. The drawing area occupies most of the screen. Everything you draw appears in this area. Picking points in the drawing area. 11. The UCS icon appears in the lower left corner. The User Coordinate System, UCS, icon indicates the direction of the X and Y axis, and it also defines the horizontal and vertical directions in a drawing. 12. You will also see a navigation bar along the right edge of the Auto-CAD window. Basic tools like zoom and pen can be found here, as well as some advanced tools for viewing 3D models. 13. The command window, located just below the drawing area, gives you feedback about the AutoCAD commands as you use them. 14. Just below the drawing area in the lower left corner are the Model and Layout tabs. These tabs enable you to switch quickly between different types of views called the Model and Layout views. 15. Below the command window is the status bar. The status bar gives you information at a glance about the state of the drawing. The tools in the status bar offer aids to the drafting process. Thank you for watching. Today's motivation quote is, "Be happy for this moment is your life."